I want to show you some of the updates we've made to our digital clutch controller hydraulic manifold. Check this out. Alright, I'm just going to take this apart. The solenoid comes off just like that. And then we've got the cartridge itself. Comes out just like that. You don't really need to take that off. What I want to show you is the manifold itself. And these are where the changes are. These are Fragola fittings made in the USA. We could go cheap on these, but I don't want to go to China. I like US made stuff. These are made in the USA. And what you can see inside here is we've updated to include little filters inside there. Can you see that? I just took this one out. Filters are now part of the manifold assembly itself. This is to keep debris out of these tiny orifices in the manifold. So if you have a manifold now that is engraved with our logo on it, it has the internal seals on it. So when you order these now, this is what you're going to get.